security teams around them, and the teams are actually quite good. But none of them, not a single one of them, is geared to defend against special forces people like a hit squad would be. Snipers to prevent the attack from going through. Normally you have like a single shooter, like we saw with Donald Trump, who survived by the luck of the devil. He should not have survived that day. So many mistakes. You have to think he was set up. It won't really work. They're not geared to defend themselves against a dedicated team. Against the lone wolf, a guy who just grabs a rifle and he's going to be the hero. Yeah, they're quite good against them, but that's not the threat in this book. In this book, we go all the way. We say there's an actual special forces team was coming after the president. And of course, to do that, you need to protect him and you need to put your counter snipers in place. So the book is about sniping, and like all the GMJ books, you will read a lot of history. We really went into the history of sniping, where it comes from, the weapons used, the different tactics. It's like in another book, I think it's Codename Wrangler, I actually say straightforward that this rush attack or rush defense, what they call close and destroy, or the US Secret Service, Mickey Mouse, that they will employ against the guy where basically you saw that's a little bit of it there with a Trump attempt is where they would try to rush the guy who was shooting. In other words, they would get the target, the president, away or surround him, and then they would form a line, almost like a skirmish line, and then they storm this guy shooting all the time, US Marine style. Shame. Shame. That will work against a lone gunman. It might work against a trained team. No. Go and read Codename Pouvoir Angelique. It's a French name. It means for Angelique. It's a book is written in English. It's not in French, but there's a reason why I called it that, Pouvoir Angelique, where I actually describe an incident where this first tactical base is defeated.